Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. As in the last video we learned how to add gradient to text, in this video we are going to see how to add gradient to image to make it look like this. So to start with, open any image to which you want to add gradient. As you might be knowing from the previous video, to add gradient we have to go to the FX icon right here. But when you take your cursor near the FX icon, it shows a cancel symbol. We just cannot select it. So to resolve this, we have to remove this lock. To remove it, double click on the layer, type the name you want to add and save the name. After adding the name, as you can see, the lock has gone and the FX option is visible. Now select the FX icon and select gradient overlay from the menu. Tap on the color bar to select the colors you want. Now to change a color, double tap on the square here and select a color from the hue slider. Again, to change the second color, tap on the square and select a color from the slider. Click on OK. And if you want to change the angle, change it from the angle tool. Now my angle has been changed and this is how my gradient looks. Now to add this gradient to our image, double tap on the gradient layer and change the different blend modes. So right now it is on normal. Let's change it to some different one and try which one looks the best. Change it to every blend mode you see and you will notice that every blend mode provides a different option of blending the gradient to your image. So select any blend suits the best to your image and which fits your requirement. Right now for me this blend mode looks good, but let's try even more. Let's go with this blend mode. Now to change the opacity, again tap on the gradient layer and from the opacity slider right here, select the type of opacity you want to your image. I guess that goes pretty well with the image. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked my video. If you haven't seen the previous video on how to add gradient to text, I have provided you the link to it in the right hand corner. Please do check it out. Now just save this image and we are good to go.